In the previous videos, we learned how memory and context make Claude more powerful. In memory helps Claude understand the project. Context helps Claude focus on the right problem. But now comes the next important skill. How do you guide Claude properly? Because this is where many developers struggle. They start prompting randomly. They ask Claude to solve everything in one shot. And when the output becomes messy, they blame the AI. But the real issue is not the AI. The real issue is lack of planning. Let's understand this with our TechHaven project. Suppose we want to add a wishlist feature. First, I switch Claude to thinking mode. Now let's understand what thinking actually means. Thinking mode in Claude Code is an advanced reasoning capability that allows Claude to spend more time understanding the problem, breaking down complex logic, analyzing relationships inside the code base, and planning possible solutions before it starts writing or executing code. So now, with thinking mode enabled, I give the prompt, add a wishlist feature to our application. Now notice what happens. Claude starts exploring the code base. It opens files like cartcontext.jsx, productcard.jsx, and multiple related components. Then, after understanding the project, it immediately starts modifying files without first presenting a clear implementation plan. Now, the interesting thing is, Claude may generate everything correctly, but not necessarily in the way we want. Maybe the architecture changes, maybe the UI decisions are different, or maybe the implementation becomes harder to maintain later. So I stop the task midway and start a fresh conversation. Now, this time, along with thinking mode enabled, I switch Claude Code to plan mode. And again, I give the exact same prompt, add a wishlist feature to our application. Now again, Claude starts exploring the code base, but this time, instead of directly writing code, it presents a structured plan. It explains which files it will create, which files it will modify, how the implementation will work, and how different parts are connected. Now this is powerful because we can review the plan before any code is written, and we can keep refining the implementation until it matches exactly what we want. For example, here I updated the plan and asked Claude to use a genie lamp icon instead of the default heart icon for the wishlist feature. And once the plan looks correct, we can approve it and Claude starts implementing the feature cleanly. This is how professional developers work with AI. They don't blindly accept generated code. They guide the AI before implementation starts. Now let's go one step further. I start another fresh conversation. Increase the effort to high. Now let's understand what effort actually means. Effort is a setting that determines how deeply the model thinks before generating a response or executing an action. Higher effort means Claude spends more time reasoning, exploring possibilities, and validating solutions before taking action. Now, this time I switch the mode to ask before edit. But when I give the same wishlist prompt again, Claude understands that this task requires planning. And instead of directly editing files, it automatically switches itself into plan mode. This is extremely important because Claude is intelligently deciding that a larger feature should first be planned properly. So remember this clearly. Thinking improves reasoning. Planning improves control. Thinking helps Claude explore solutions. Planning helps you control implementation. And when you combine memory, context, thinking, and planning, that is where Claude Code becomes truly powerful. Now, it makes the output more cleaner, maintainable, and reliable. This is how real world AI development works. Professional developers do not use random prompts. They guide AI with structured planning. And this becomes even more important in large projects because without planning, AI can easily generate duplicate logic, inconsistent architecture, and difficult to maintain code. But with planning, Claude behaves more like a real engineering partner. So remember this clearly. Thinking creates exploration, planning creates direction, and when you combine memory, context, and planning, That is where Claude Code becomes truly powerful. If this helped you understand planning versus thinking, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Stoner Stack. Also, this is part of a complete playlist where you are learning Claude Code from beginner to advanced. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. In the next video, we'll learn how to create custom commands in Claude Code. Stay tuned to the channel.